welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video I'm doing a healthy natural hair growth oil. I start off by cleaning my table with some Dettol spray and some multi-purpose cleaning wipes. Then I'm gonna go ahead to clean my tools using the same Dettol and cleaning wipes, and then I'm gonna go ahead to wash my hands and use some hand gel. Prior to making this video, I did wash my tools a week before in some warm soapy bleach water, rinse them well and allow them to air dry. So the first oil that I'm actually going to start with is the lavender essential oil. Now this is a very calming oil. I'm only going to use 50% because I should say 50 milliliters, because my soap course says that the essential oil should always be 1% of your recipe, which I'm still learning how to measure recipes. But it's a calming oil. It's good to promote hair growth, prevent hair thinning. It's good for blood circulation, and it helps to kill head lice. It also smells really great. For the next oils coming up, I'm going to use 100 milliliters each. So the first one is Grapeseed. It restores the shine and vibrancy of the hair. It prevents split end, dandruff and premature grays. And these 1 liter bottles I got from the Soapery. Now I'm going in with the Neem oil. This helps to provide a healthy scalp. It helps to flourish the hair follicles, prevent hair thinning and dandruff. Even though it's got so much benefits, it really stinks. Lastly, I'm going in with some sweet almond oil. It helps to make the hair soft and strong, repairs the hair damage and treats the scalp. And in total, I bring the measurement up to 350 milliliters, and I start filling up the bottles. So I will have to do this process twice because the jug wasn't big enough. But as I said, I'm still learning how to do my measurements when it comes to DIY recipes. And yes, Neem oil, this is my first time using it. I did not know that it stank so much. So I don't know, maybe in future I'll use a smaller amount, or I'll just use it for my feet care instead. And the lavender essential oil I got from a company called Just a Soap, and it is here in the UK. Most of these tools also come from Amazon, but I'm sure if you look around your local area, you'll find them maybe in your grocery stores, in your pound shops, or your local market, who knows. And voila, there you go, some DIY natural hair growth oil. It doesn't have to be expensive or long, and you don't have to go out and spend so much money buying pre-made ones. So thank you guys for watching. This is just a little sample of how the oil performs on my skin. So this is the same way that it would perform on your hair, more or less. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.